flexible if we wanted to. If you go back to the user model, you could right here, I don't know, just pass in the role name or the role or the user, and just make it more dynamic. Okay, it's many ways that you can do this, guys, many different ways. All right, you can find out the role and compare it once you pass it through here. All right, like the role name equals to the role here. Okay, something like that, and you can pass in that here. All right, you see how you can make it more dynamic. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do with this is routes, we're gonna take this out of here and we're gonna take it back to the middleware is admin, and now this middleware is gonna be able to do that for us. Okay, so if it's admin, what we're gonna do is we're gonna redirect the user, return redirect, and we're gonna redirect them with intended, and let's do admin. All right, and we're gonna build a route for that now. All right, so we're first pulling out the authenticated user if there is any, and if we find them, we're gonna go and redirect them here. Else we're gonna just go to the next request no matter what. All right, so now let's go and create that route for admin, and let's do it. We don't need that anymore. Let's actually do it all the way down here. All right, let's just say route get admin. And as a matter of fact, the way I'm going to do it is with a admin controller. So we're going to build that admin controller. Okay, and that's the way that I want to do it, because it just gives you a bigger example on how this is done. So PHP artisan make controller, we're going to create a controller here, and I'm going faster, guys, because we have created so many projects that this should be easy for you. Okay, admin controller. All right, and that's it. I'm not gonna create it with resources. It's gonna be empty. Let me see what I'm missing. Admin invalid route operation. Huh. Okay, the problem is not here. The problem is here. This should be huh. I see. All right. So let's just do this, and this is gonna go to index. That's okay. Let's create it now. Enter. There we go. Remember that if you're using the get, you need to give it some type of method here. All right, you only would do this without it when you're doing resource. Okay, so clear. Let's go to our controller. Let's see if we can find it here. It's not there yet, so let's synchronize it real quick. All right, cool. So now here I'm going to apply the middleware, and I want you to pay very close attention to this. Okay, so we're going to create a function. All right, actually it's going to be public. Oops, that was fast, right? Function, and this is going to be a construct. There we go. All right, and this is what's going to be. And very similar to this, guys. Look, you can just copy this if you wanted to. Okay, same thing. So this middleware, oops, and we're gonna say is admin. I believe we put it as uppercase here. All right, so if we wanted to see the index of this page, we would need to be an administrator now. Oops. Let's return something. You are an administrator because you are seeing this page. There we go. All right. All right. So I'm gonna leave the second part to the next lecture because we actually gone quite a little a bit here. We gone very far, so I don't want to bore you. I don't want you to fall asleep. I want you to, if you're tired, take a little rest. Come back to the next part. I'll see you in the next lecture.